All right. So I'm going to be talking about game databases and what they are primarily used for. So I did some light research just now. Not just now. Of course I did it a few minutes ago. Duh. And a gaming database is primarily used for segmenting off separate player information as well as purchase history, conversion rates, and certain patterns that the player may or may not do. For instance, if a player is playing like a mobile game called Crossy Road, they have a certain score that they have accumulated from just playing that game, and every single millions of people who play games like that all have their own separate data saved onto their device. But what the thing that allows that to be saved, the program that does that initially allows those that data to be saved, is an SQL gaming database. Is an SQL gaming database. It saves their. I'm sorry, I'm speaking too fast. It saves their personal data and uploads it to a cloud. So that way, whenever they delete the app or set program, all they would have to do is re-download the program and re-log in with whatever thing they signed in with. For instance, if they were using Google, they would use their Google login, and their information, their gameplay, and their game data is saved onto their onto their Google database. But that's just their login information. Once they access the Google database, they uh they send the information from the database to the app that you're currently playing, so it re-uploads everything that you've done so far. It also re-uploads the purchase history and the playtime and all the information that you would have. Gaming databases are really important for MMORPGs. He's out there like WoW or Guild Wars 2 and League of Legends and whatever stuff like that. Having a gaming database is severely important because there are millions of players playing these games every day, and what they would do is that they would have all their data sequentially stuffed into a little database for every server that they would have, and it could only hold so much data, so they have to do it efficiently. That's where SQL comes in. It's able to package them using numerical values and put them into this list of just different numbers and data that would signify this player's information and data that are able to be brought back, and they are saved there, and they are there forever until you delete them yourself. And that's really the important of those things. But they are also used in things like real-time intelligence, supplements the intelligence in the game. Intelligence is built onto the platform in VR and AR and VR. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but it does mean it's important. And that's basically what gaming databases are used for.